Welcome to day 281 of backtesting. Uh, yeah, today I think we will try doing gold. Give me a second while I set up the camera. Today we are going. Come on. Okay, like this. Okay, yeah, we're gonna be doing. Okay, this is good. We'll be doing gold, but I will try to incorporate the inversion model. So I'm going to try gold and see how it goes. Micro gold. Let's remove all of this. Go to daily. First, put the default indicator template. Then we change to the default settings. You can see price was bullish these days. Well, I would like to trade it in the time like during the kill zones, like at 6 UTC, and continue like not in London. So let's see the go-tos that are there. Start up New York. The start of London, start of New York session starts at 8. I don't know, I would like to put it like at next day open. Okay, let's try to edit this to 600. Okay, okay, so we are on the daily. You can see this day is has already started displacing lower. You can see we had a retracement into this gap here as price was dropping, and well, this will be a potential entry, and though we would have to wait for this inversion, but maybe if we get a retracement higher and the 5-minute inversion, then we could try out shorts. Wait, why is it at 9? No, come on. I said next day open should be at 6. Now it's not going at 6. Let's deactivate these for a while. Seriously, I don't know why it's going to 9:15. Probably it's something that's wrong. Finally 6:30. Okay, so 4-hour has inversed, so I'd like to see like a 4-hour low get taken, this one or this one here. Now picking the 1 hour, we're still going lower. 30, 15, over 15 minute gap retracement here. and we also have a small inversion inside here. If we have a 5 minute, I will be taking this. Yo, what is good, Ashraf? Alright, we've got a good inversion here. Let's try this out. This will be a very small trade, to be honest. It's not that kind of a big move. So break even at this low here. Let's risk 2% shorts on the initial balance. Now we gotta wait. Reversal is pending. 15 minute was slowly dropping to this low. I would have loved to see this low get taken. Let's see if it goes all the way there. And take profit gets hit in one beautiful candle. One very, very beautiful candle. And market even drops lower. I don't know, maybe it will hit all the way to these lows, but I was looking for the low hanging fruit here in this particular scenario. So yeah, I got a payout, man. That's that's very phenomenal. I didn't even expect it. For some reason I logged in, and well, I knew that I was, slowly building up the account, but I didn't know that I was already eligible for a payout. So yeah, I'm grateful that I'm finally seeing some progress, but I don't count progress through payouts though. You can see that price actually ends up even dropping to this low here, bro. Before it did that before 8:30. So I want to test this strategy on let's see, 5. Yes, I can see the entry was here. The short entry was here, my stop was at these highs, and take profit was somewhere here for 1.2. Now imagine, oh, it's lagging. Oh, let me fix this lagging stream. All right. Alright, so I hope now it's not lagging. I think it was some connection issues. It's still lagging. Okay, so this would have been a very good trade. You can see this was a very beautiful drop here on gold. Let's see if we can find any other opportunities on the day here. Let's go to the next day actually, at 6. Right, Alex. I didn't know you were in the stream too, man. How are you doing? So checking the 4 hour, I can see that price is kind of displacing lower. Can see that we had a push higher. Now it's going a little bit lower. So this is an obvious low hanging fruit at this low here. And well, if it continues to displace lower, we might look for more draws as well. For example, this low here could be a good draw. Even some other daily lows could also be a good draw, but as of now, let's see if you can achieve these lows here. And well, we have a good inversion here, Now let's say if you have a retracement to like a 30 minute maybe or 15. Well, I don't see any, so I think this is I won't be trading anything today. Well, they don't have any retracements to a higher time frame gap. Yo, that's great, man. Ending the week green is very great because some traders do go on tilt on Friday, and actually the stats do show that most accounts are blown on Friday because some people can't walk away with a loss. Now we don't have. Ooh, actually, there's a small gap here. This is the only gap I would use, but I don't know. This looks like a low probability thing, so I would rather wait instead. Okay, you can see we retraced into this small, wait, 30 minute. That's very, very small gap here. Now checking the 30 minute, we have an unfilled gap here, so that will keep my eye open for that. It's a 15. It's a 15 minute, yeah. Now, if this 5 minute inverses, then I will try out shorts. It will inverse in a few minutes later. So here you can see it has just inversed. So I'd like to see price drop all the way here, like maybe into this low. Well, Alex, in my opinion, I wouldn't charge them because I also used to have a hard time managing my emotions during trading, like crash out and go on tilt after taking a few losing trades. But it's all about growing slowly by slowly, and coming to trust the strategy that it will deliver in the long run. Now we have a very good win that was secured in 10 minutes. But as it all comes down to the experience. Slowly by slowly, your emotions get in place if you keep putting in the work. Okay. So since we're delivering, you can see that price hit actually the 15-minute gap, so it could get rejected, which you can see it rejects, then price drops, but it rejected first, so it's a good thing that we managed to close our profits at an appropriate area. Now let's see how the next day morning goes. Okay, next day opens up very bullish. You can see, what am I doing with this? Okay, yeah, so you can see we're kind of displacing higher. Market opened, dropped lower, and then strong momentum to the upside, recovering the drop, and now it's heading higher. So I think we could be about to have a good continuation higher. Let's see how the 4-hour is. Come on, why is the stream lagging? Man, my internet is going really, really slow. I don't know why. Alex, if you can hear the stream, let me know, man. If it's now audible and not lagging, let me know. Alright, so I can see that price is currently pushing higher. We have a 1 hour that we can use. All good, man. Just continue, maybe it will catch up. I can still hear you. Okay. Now I'd like to see continuation higher, like to these highs. Wait, don't tell me that the video is left behind, Alex. Like the video is behind while the audio is coming after. The audio is coming first, then the audio is coming later. Okay, 15 minute has actually the 1 hour has had a small retracement into this gap. So I would expect some longs to set up. As of now, I can see that on this 15-minute inversion they could be set up, but we just have to wait and see, get a deeper retracement. So this 15-minute might not inverse. So if it doesn't inverse, what will it do? It will inverse right here. Oh, okay, I get Alex. Wow. Okay, looks like it's going somewhat slow, but we have a very good gap holding here. I wouldn't like to see it inverse. I'd like to see it push higher, 15-minute for longs. But if that's not the plan that price has, then we'll have to ditch it. Okay, we're now at 811. About to have a good inversion, I'd say. This looks like a good inversion. So after the inversion forms, maybe you can at least try out longs. You can see that this candle closes a little bit higher than the gap. So let's try out longs. My stop at this low here. Wait, what was I doing? Okay, longs will be set up here, and I will be taking trade up to this high here. Buying 28 contracts of gold is diabolical. Okay, damn, first loss of the session. First loss we faced in this session.